Hello, in front of me I've got 70mm dashcam 3. In this video I'll show you product overview. In the beginning, take a look at the side of your dashcam. Right here you've got the microphone, and here is the ring indicator light. On the other side we've got the charging port, micro SD card slot, adhesive sticker, speaker, camera and power button. Here we've got the screw, thanks to which we can adjust the position of the camera. And right here on the sticker on the back you can find hotspot, serial number, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.